In today's video, I will walk you through how to reset account password in Square. First, open a web browser and enter the Square website in the address bar. Once the website loads, move to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. You will now be taken to the login page. In the first field, type in your email address carefully. After that, move to the password field. If you still remember your password, you can enter it there. But if you no longer remember it, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. On the next screen, you will be asked to enter your email address again. Type in the email connected to your Square account, and then click on Send Instructions. Square will now send a password reset email to your inbox. Open a new tab and go to your email account. In your inbox, look for the email sent by Square and open it. Inside the email, click on the Reset Password link or button. This will open the password reset page. Now type in the new password you want to use for your Square account. If you want to make sure the password is entered correctly, click on the small eye icon on the right side of the password field to reveal the password. After entering the new password, move to the next field and type the same password again to confirm it. Once both fields are completed, click on the Reset Password button to continue. After your password has been reset successfully, click on Continue to Dashboard to complete the process. That is how you can reset the password for your Square account quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.